We have reported earlier about Burna Boy's performance in Cote d'Ivoire, but we never knew that he had a conflict. Now, when he was performing in Cote d'Ivoire, his sound became bad and it took a longer time. And so Burna Boy was spotted having an altercation with the organizers, and this was linked to the sound breakage when he was performing.
That nigga Burna Boy pissed. That nigga's pissed. Buddy.
What the fuck you got?
Bro.
So let's go.
Bro, why she mad? Bro, what? Bro, what? That's literally Burna Boy. He's leaving.
Non, il n'y a pas filmé, chef.
He's leaving.